you can send files between your Windows and Android devices in basically just 2 clicks. So I'll give you a quick demonstration. Right-click on the document, send to my phone, and within seconds, it should be right there. There you go. So this is the file. So let's open it on my phone now. It's right here. Click on the 3 dots, click Share, and then select the link to Windows, select the laptop, and it's sent. And now all I need to do is just to, well, open the downloads folder. So let me just go back so you see this. So open the downloads folder, go to the phone link folder, and there it is right there. This is really, really quick. And it's really easy to set up too. So all you need to do is to make sure that on your Android device, you have Windows to link. And all Samsung phones come with this. So it's this little thing right there. So if you have it, enable this. And if you don't, then just type in link to Windows in Google and download this from the first link in Google Play. Right? And then on your Windows laptop or PC, open the settings, then go to Bluetooth and devices. Then at the bottom here, you will have mobile devices, and your phone should automatically appear here. If it doesn't, then click Add Device. Make sure that this is the right email address here, click Continue, and then scan the QR code with your phone, and you're all set up. As easy as that.